Dear Diary, people always ask me how the movie stars get their great bodies. Well, it's not all champagne and caviar. It's hard work and good food.
Now this is what a real celebrity's fridge looks like. When people ask me how I get the celebs in shape so fast, I start with their fridge. Everything is here for a really healthy, colorful, and very nutritious meal anytime. For breakfast, berries. They're beautiful. You can add yogurt or you can make a shake. For lunch, lettuce leaves are much better than bread. They make great wraps. You can use smoked salmon, turkey, you can add spinach, olives, very flavorful. For dinner, there's nothing like a fresh carb salad. All you have to add is a roast chicken, the romaine lettuce is here, avocado, which is great for your skin, by the way. You have your eggs, your olives. It's all here, a perfect dinner that's healthy and refreshing. For snacks, celery sticks, you can dip it in the yogurt, you can dip it in the hummus. Carrot sticks, fruit, all the time when you want a snack. So if you're really committed to having a healthy, fit body, this is where it starts. It's all here, fresh and ready to eat. Bottom line, you want a beautiful body? It starts with a great fridge.